Sydney Harbour's famous for its beaches, it's famous for its harbour, and it's famous for its Wednesday afternoon twilight races. This afternoon I've been invited to go out on a twilight race on my brother's boat back here, and we're going to go out, but apparently the forecast is for like hail, snow, storms, and some really wild weather. So hopefully we can bring you some of that really wild weather tonight on the boat race. It's going to be one of those days where pretty much
Here they are.
anything can happen.
Hey, I know. I've been watching that coming the last little while. That's it. I think we're all here. I think it's all happening. It's all about to happen.
I was just listening to...
We're going conservative, going on the little sail.
Good.
Ramifications of ice. Have you go, H?
Yeah, give me that.
This, in case you didn't realise, this is my brother Ralph.
Hey there. How are you? Just another typical Wednesday. This is what I do every Wednesday. So it's nice to get my brother to come out today. It's flying around about 25 knots, but I mean, us Aussies, this is the sort of thing we do on a Wednesday out at work.
Where are the shakes, Ralph?
Now we're going to see if the race is actually on.
I've tried a couple of times.
He's been away, hasn't he? I think he must be sailing this week.
No, I stick you. Beautiful beer, Toby.
Yeah, it is
Yeah,
lovely.
Smooth, German.
You're getting inshore again.
Have you got the Steve Y on it?
See, the problem with the offshore number?
How often do you wear it offshore?
Königspilsner. Sehr gut. Release a little bit of bang.
I have, it's soft.
Okay.
Hasn't got anything.
I've got no bang already.
Yep. Just got enough to stop it bouncing. Challenge of the race, doesn't it?
That's it.
Go!
Look fast.
Look fast.
Lean it over.
Yeah, lean forward. Everybody lean forward. Get into the aerodynamic positions.
Yeah, get into the spirit of winning.
Oh look, there's the finish line. We won!
Yes!
We're about to get the gun. Bang! Hooray!